Hello, today we will explore the world of the lucky god. Their story reminds us of the importance of being careful in our work. Good luck, and let's get started. Trying to control a falling tree branch with your hands while felling a tree is unsafe and not recommended. This scene shows how dangerous this can be. The man was lucky to have held on, but even so, he was still at significant risk. Had he not held on, the consequences could have been much more serious. The trees seem to fight back, as if nature is toying with us. Sometimes it sends a subtle reminder that we should respect the power of nature. There is nothing more frustrating than having your chainsaw break down in the middle of a job. Not only does this interrupt your progress, it also forces you to repair it, costing you time and effort. This clumsy act accidentally turned me into a comedian. That must have taken him by surprise. When cutting down a tree, it is absolutely necessary to maintain caution, because another tree can suddenly move or fall at any time, creating an unforeseen danger. Wow, look at the tree that was perfectly upright when it fell. It must have been a big surprise for everyone watching. This is not a sight you see every day. Her timely reflexes, showing her acumen in emergency situations. Look at this man being pulled by a tree branch as if he weighed nothing more than a feather. A funny and thoughtful sight, showing the unpredictable power of nature. Surely he would not dare to repeat this. It would make sense for them to create a new home for the little squirrel before cutting down or destroying its current home. Trees are not just plants, but also shelter for countless animals and other creatures. It is unbelievable how much destruction the wind can cause. In this case, the wind uprooted the tree, taking with it the roots and a huge swath of earth. Watching this man struggle to cut through a fallen log is a clear example of why proper training and experience are important. His chainsaw even jammed during the process, making an already difficult task even more difficult. Without the proper knowledge and techniques, even seemingly simple tasks can become frustrating and dangerous. So it's always better to leave these tasks to a trained professional or take the time to learn the proper methods yourself. Timing is everything. Just one wrong move or hesitation can result in serious injury. That's why it's crucial to carefully assess the tree's falling direction and plan your escape route in advance. It's interesting that they chose to transport a tree rather than cut it down. Perhaps it was for an important conservation purpose, replanting it in areas more suitable for it to thrive, or to avoid destruction during construction projects. Perhaps it was a rare tree of special value, or simply as part of a conservation effort. It's a huge time saver. By using a machine to trim the edges of your trees efficiently, you not only reduce the time you spend working, but you also reduce the amount of effort you have to put in. This turns a task that would otherwise take hours into a much quicker and more manageable one. Sometimes, when a tree doesn't fall as planned, creative thinking is needed. The man in this situation demonstrated great problem-solving skills by taking a different approach to ensure the tree fell safely. This is a great example of the skill and quick thinking of a professional. Not only does the man demonstrate incredible skill in turning a simple tree stump into a chair, but he does it with remarkable speed and precision. It is impressive how quickly he can turn something so ordinary into something that is both useful and artistic. Using a chainsaw in water poses several risks. First, water coming into contact with the metal parts of the saw can cause rust and permanent damage. Additionally, water can enter the motor, impairing its function and increasing the risk of the machine seizing or malfunctioning. In this hilarious moment, watch as the man seemingly tries to coax the chainsaw to start by clapping his hands. It's almost as if the saw needs a little cheering before it's ready to go. Despite its small size, this machine performs tasks that are usually only handled by larger equipment. In a matter of moments, it efficiently removes small branches, leaving only the trunk behind. With its incredible speed and high accuracy, it becomes an invaluable tool for loggers, significantly simplifying the work and saving valuable time. Weighing thousands of tons and in a challenging position, he cleverly chose the most optimal method, both ensuring his own safety and completing the task excellently. Oh my God, there's a reason tree trimming professionals charge so much. The job has an incredibly high accident rate. Show respect for their bravery by liking and subscribing to show your support. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to get all our latest updates. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next videos.